It's PROPtober! Hey everybody, happy first day of October, or should I say PROPtober, because I am excited to share with you we are going to have the first ever RC with Adam giveaway, and I'm giving away props. While I was at Null in the fall, I came across an insane deal on Propellers, and I said to myself, I can't keep this all to myself, I gotta share it. Winners are going to get carbon fiber propellers, 9-inch and 8-inch propellers, plastic ones. These all happen to be Gemfan. This is not sponsored by Gemfan, just a coincidence. And then you're gonna get like just a huge goodie bag assortment of propellers. This is gonna be like $70 worth of props that you're gonna win. Every Monday in October, I'm going to be posting a video just like this one on YouTube and Instagram. What you need to do to enter is leave a comment with hashtag PROPtober Giveaway, PROPtober giveaway. And if you're on Instagram, tag a buddy and let them know about it. So you can enter on Instagram and YouTube, but you can only win on one or the other. So many props! Also, unfortunately, due to shipping costs and everything like that, this giveaway will only be available to those in the continental United States. So sorry about that, international people, but that's just how it is right now because I'm a little teeny tiny channel. Check the description for full details on how to enter and all that other stuff. To everyone who is already subscribed to my YouTube channel and following my Instagram channel, thank you. I appreciate your support. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Hope you win, and I'll see you next time.